Hi, and welcome to Outdoor Training. In this movie, I will give you 8 useful tips that will increase your safety, increase the ergonomics of your work, and decrease the running costs of working with a chainsaw. Choose your chainsaw in function of the work you need to do. It will lower the stress on your body, and it's for your own safety and health. Of course, you can use big displacement chainsaws like you see here for all kind of tasks, but it will increase the stress on your body. Select the right chainsaw in function of the task you need to do. Have a minimum of tools with you when you go to the forest, like a wedge, a hammer, a breaking bar, but also a first aid kit. Maybe combined in a tool belt, so it gives you more ergonomics during your work. When you refill your chainsaw, start filling with chain oil. Then you fill up with two-stroke oil. The reason for that is when you forget to refill your two-stroke fuel, you will notice immediately. When you forget to refill your chain oil, it will take a while and it can cause some damage to your chainsaw. Check the tension of your chain on a regular basis. When your chain is too loose, you have the risk to derail the chain. When the chain tension is too high, it will reduce the power and it will increase the wear of your bar and chain. Keep your cutting equipment sharp. Every time you refill your chainsaw, pass the file 1 or 2 times in each cutter. It will increase your safety and efficiency and decrease your running cost. A lot of users, they wait until the chain is dull, and this will increase the fuel consumption and decrease the efficiency and the safety. Always use your chainsaw full throttle. It will reduce the risk of kickback while bore cutting and increase your safety, and also it will reduce your running cost. Use a good work technique. This you can learn by following a chainsaw course. Never use a chainsaw above shoulder height. Never use a chainsaw behind your body. To avoid kickback, prevent that the barred nose hits the wood directly. And try to make use as much of forest tools, like a wedge, a hammer, a breaking bar. And last but not least, don't forget your PPE.